Okay, let's make a start. IELTS speaking part 1. You're going to answer some questions. Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love very much. I like to make desserts and I like to eat desserts.
Listen, this is repetition. I like to make desserts. I like to eat desserts. This is repetition.
Okay, sir.
So try to avoid any structure which you're using repetitively. For example, do you like desserts? Yes, I love desserts very much. Well, mostly I love to prepare desserts at home for my family because they literally enjoy. All my family members, they have a sweet tooth, so I make desserts for them. On the other hand, sometimes I love to eat desserts as well.
Okay, sir.
Right? But not I like. That is repetition.
Okay, sir.
Let's start again. Do you like desserts?
I love desserts very much, and it's also my hobby to make desserts. Whenever I find free time, I love to make cakes and different kinds of sweet dishes for my family because they have got a sweet tooth. So I love to make desserts very much.
For them. So you can divide desserts into like pudding, cake,
Cakes.
cheesecake, and all
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, that's going to give you good bench score. Let's go on. On what occasions do you make desserts?
Usually I love to make desserts on the birthdays and on special events such as any celebration. I like to make desserts very much.
Okay, desserts very
very
much. Right. Do you prefer to bake a cake at home or buy it from the market?
I prefer to bake the cake at home because I use quality products and quality flavors. I can make it of my choice and I love to make at home.
Okay, I love to bake the cake at home. So try to use a variety
Okay,
of
sir.
words, and structures should be in variety, and connect your ideas together. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's go on. It's your turn, please. How often do you go for a walk?
Sir, I wish I could speak.
All right. Thank you. Come on. How often do you go for a walk? I don't go for a walk at all. I'm so busy. I have no time. I always walk at home, here and there, everywhere. So to answer your question, I don't have any routine of going for a walk. Speak, say something. Okay? All right, let's go on. Do you listen to music?
Yeah, I love to listen to music. Whenever I get free, I start listening music, and I listen music, different kind of music.
Okay. All right. Then you say बाकी दी गल तुसी समझ गए हो. Okay. Let's go on. Do you prefer to listen loud music or music in low volume? Low music.
I like soft music
Why?
because when you listen soft music, you
No,
feel
I'm
so
talking
relaxed.
about the loudness. Loud music or low music? So I love to listen to loud music or low music, whatever.
I don't like loud music. I always prefer to listen slow music because
Okay, what's your favorite musical instrument?
my favorite musical instrument is guitar, and I always like to play at guitar.
Okay, that's good. Just try to speak more and more, right? Okay, who's your favorite singer?
Sir, there are so many singers that I like.
Okay.
I like them, but most of my favorite singer is Atif Aslam, and I usually listen to his songs.
Okay, thank you very much. Overall, it's fine. Be confident and try
I
to
wish
answer.
I could speak like you, but
You should speak
I-
better than me. Why like me? Okay.
I get nervous.
Okay, don't worry. Next time, you need to hold on to something in your hand. For example, whenever you get nervous, hold on to something very tight. You'll be fine.
So I have a phobia. I can't speak in front of any
All right, there is a
crowd.
snake there. Oh God! Afraid? No, what sort of phobia? Like you're afraid of
Yeah,
people?
yes, sir.
Okay, but don't worry. In actual exam, there'll be only one examiner.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah, don't worry. Thank you so much.